CompTIA A plus 1201 Exam Preparation Quiz. Question 1. In a healthcare facility, a workstation's antivirus alerts to ransomware encrypting patient files. The user isolated the PC immediately. Backups are available from yesterday. What is the first response step? Is it? Option A. Restore from backup after scanning. Option B. Disconnect from network and power off. Option C. Run full system scan in safe mode. Option D. Notify incident response team. The correct answer is D. Rationale. Notify incident response team, option D, is correct because ransomware requires coordinated response including identification of patient data exposure, legal notification requirements, and forensic analysis. Option A is incorrect. Restoration comes after containment and investigation. Option B is incorrect. The user already isolated the PC. Powering off may destroy volatile evidence. Option C is incorrect. Scanning may trigger additional encryption. Question 2. A remote worker's Android device won't sync corporate email after a password change. The app shows authentication failed. IMAP settings are correct. What to verify? Is it? Option A. App permissions for account access. Option B. Two-factor authentication token. Option C. Server-side email protocol update. Option D. Device date time synchronization. The correct answer is B. Rationale. Two-factor authentication token, option B, is correct because after password change, app-specific passwords or 2FA tokens often need regeneration. IMAP settings being correct indicates authentication method issue. Option A is incorrect. App permissions are not typically required for email sync. Option C is incorrect. Server protocol update is unlikely and would affect all users. Option D is incorrect. Date time would affect SSL certificate validation, not specifically post-password change. Question 3. Configuring Windows Firewall for a development team. The admin needs to allow inbound traffic on port 3389 for RDP while blocking others. Rules are set, but connections fail externally. What additional setting? Is it? Option A. Enable remote desktop in system properties. Option B. Add exception for public profile. Option C. Forward port on router NT. Option D. Use PowerShell for advanced rules. The correct answer is C. Rationale. Forward port on router NT, option C, is correct because external connections require port forwarding on the router to direct traffic to the specific PC. Windows Firewall rules control local access, but do not bypass NAT. Option A is incorrect. Remote desktop must be enabled, but connections failing externally implies it is enabled locally. Option B is incorrect. Public profile exceptions affect local firewall, not NAT. Option D is incorrect. PowerShell creates same rules as GUI. Question 4. A user's browser hijacks searches and displays ads. No extensions are installed. Malware scans clean. What remediation? Is it? Option A. Reset browser settings to default. Option B. Clear cache and cookies. Option C. Uninstall and reinstall browser. Option D. Check host's file for modifications. The correct answer is D. Rationale. Check host's file for modifications, option D, is correct because browser hijackers often redirect searches via host's file entries, bypassing browser settings and extensions. Malware scans may miss these modifications. Option A is incorrect. Resetting browser settings does not fix host's file redirections. Option B is incorrect. Clearing cache removes temporary files, not redirects. Option C is incorrect. Reinstallation does not modify host's file. Question 5. In change management, a patch for critical vulnerability is tested in staging. Deployment to production causes app crashes. What process failed? Is it? Option A. Rollback plan execution. Option B. User acceptance testing. Option C. Documentation of changes. Option D, approval from stakeholders. The correct answer is B, rationale. User acceptance testing, option B, is correct because UT validates that changes work in realistic scenarios with representative users and data. Staging may not replicate production configurations fully. Option A is incorrect. Rollback executes after failure, not prevent it. Option C is incorrect. Documentation records changes, does not prevent crashes. Option D is incorrect. Approval authorizes deployment, does not validate functionality. Question 6. A Linux desktop boots to command line instead of GUI after update. X server errors and logs. What command restarts the display manager? Is it? Option A, system to start graphical.target. Option B, init5. Option C, starks. Option D, service GDM restart. The correct answer is D, rationale. Service GDM restart, option D, is correct because GDM, GNOME Display Manager, is the service providing the graphical login. Restarting the display manager attempts to recover the GUI. Option A is incorrect. System to start graphical.target sets default target, does not restart display manager. Option B is incorrect. Init5 changes run level, not service specific. Option C is incorrect. Stark starts an X session, not the display manager service. How many did you score out of 6? Comment your score down below and visit @pokerexams.com for more practice questions. Bye.